One lady said, if I drink a whole glass of water, I feel bloated. So my answer to that is, don't drink a whole glass of water. Drink a little bit of water. And then a few minutes later, drink another little bit of water. And if your stomach still feels bloated with that, well, sip on peppermint tea or sip on ginger tea. Both of those teas can help with digestion.
Bloating can feel like carrying a balloon in your belly, uncomfortable, embarrassing, and sometimes even painful. But what if you could deflate that balloon naturally and quickly? Today, we're revealing the real reasons behind bloating and how simple lifestyle changes, along with a powerful herbal tea recipe, can help. But before we get into the solutions, it's important to understand what's really causing the problem. Number 1.
Be caused by a few things. It can be caused by low hydrochloric acid. If someone says, I've got an over-acid stomach, I said, you must be digesting your food very quickly and very well, because that's what acid does. But when the food's not being digested and it's sitting in the stomach, that means that hydrochloric acid is low. So how can we boost hydrochloric acid? Taking the juice of a lemon just before the meal can boost the acid. Taking a third of a cup of hot ginger tea just before the meal can boost hydrochloric acid. Mixing a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in just a little water just before the meal, that'll wake anything up, it'll boost your hydrochloric acid. So that's how you can boost hydrochloric acid.
Number 2. Eating too fast.
The other thing that can cause bloating is eating too fast, not chewing properly. So it's important to chew slowly, masticate your food. So you would investigate those points to find out why. And it usually will find out why there is bloating.
In our rush to eat, we often forget that digestion starts in the mouth. Not chewing properly means larger food particles hit your stomach, forcing it to work overtime. Plus, gulping down food often brings extra air into your gut, making you feel like an overinflated balloon. Slow down, savor each bite, and give your stomach a break. Number 3. Carbonated drinks. That fizzy soda might seem refreshing, but those carbon dioxide bubbles don't just disappear, they expand in your stomach, causing gas and bloating. Even sparkling water can have this effect. If you're prone to bloating, switching to still water or herbal teas can make a big difference. Number 4. Stress. You might not link stress with bloating, but your gut and brain are deeply connected. High stress levels activate your body's fight or flight response, slowing down digestion and leading to that heavy, bloated feeling. But deep breathing, gentle movement, and mindfulness can all help keep your digestion running smoothly. Number 5. Constipation. When things aren't moving as they should, waste builds up in your digestive tract, creating pressure, discomfort, and bloating. It's like a traffic jam in your gut. A diet rich in fiber, plenty of water, and regular movement can help keep things flowing and prevent bloating before it starts. While these triggers can contribute to bloating, the right habits can help you avoid that uncomfortable, puffy feeling. Here are some easy ways to keep your gut happy and bloat-free. Number 1. Try ginger. Ginger isn't just for tea. Grate it into soups, add it to stir-fries, or blend it into smoothies. Its natural compounds help relax your gut, reduce gas, and ease digestion. Number 2. Add probiotics. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and keeping them balanced is key to digestion. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi into your diet to support a happy, healthy microbiome. If fermented foods aren't your thing, a high-quality probiotic supplement might be worth considering. Number 3. Increase fiber slowly. Fiber is fantastic for digestion, but adding too much too quickly can cause gas and bloating. Introduce fiber-rich foods, like fruits, veggies, and whole grains, gradually, and drink plenty of water to help fiber move smoothly through your system. A sudden fiber overload without enough hydration can actually make bloating worse. Number 4. Limit salt and processed foods. High-sodium foods cause your body to retain water, making you feel puffy and bloated. Processed snacks, canned foods, and fast food are common culprits. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible, and use herbs and spices instead of excess salt to add flavor. Number 5. Watch portion sizes. Eating large meals can overwhelm your digestive system, leading to bloating and sluggishness. Try smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. Eating mindfully, chewing slowly, and savoring each bite also helps prevent bloating by reducing excess air intake. Number 6. Stay active. If you sit for long periods, get up and move every hour. Even simple movements like stretching, taking the stairs, or doing light exercises can help your digestion stay on track. Long hours of sitting can slow everything down, making bloating more likely. Number 7. Avoid chewing gum and drinking through straws. These habits might seem harmless, but they cause you to swallow extra air, leading to unnecessary bloating. If you love gum, try switching to mints instead, and drink straight from a glass rather than a straw to minimize air intake. While these lifestyle changes can make a big difference, sometimes your digestive system needs a little extra help. That's where this powerful herbal tea comes in.
And this tea has healed many a low hydrochloric acid. It is one part dandelion. Dandelion is a bitter herb. We learnt about dandelion this morning in our herb lecture. 1 part gentian. Gentian is an incredibly bitter herb. 1 part licorice. And licorice is a herb that has an emollient, and that emollient helps to coat the stomach, and 1/2 part of a very expensive herb called golden seal. And golden seal has a nickname, and that nickname is King of Tonics to all mucous membranes. Dandelion, gentian, licorice and golden seal are all roots, and you need to boil roots. So the recipe, here's the recipe. So you buy these dried herbs and you put them all in a jar. You make up a whole jar. So the recipe is 1 teaspoon of this herb mix, we'll say herbs, and 1 teaspoon of ginger, fresh ginger. So the fresh ginger can be grated or it can be chopped into small pieces. 2 cups of water. And then that is a gentle simmer, so simmer for 10 minutes. The ginger certainly makes it more palatable because these 3 herbs are very bitter. And the ginger is a sweet bitter and the licorice also is a little sweet. It makes it palatable. Some people, when I give them that tea, they think I'm killing them. And I said, there's one requirement when you drink this tea, smile. Here's the dose. So the dose is, once you've made the tea, dose is 1/3 of a cup, hot, just before the meal. So when you take the 1/3 of a cup of that tea hot just before the meal, the bitterness in the mouth gives messages to your brain to release more digestive enzymes. And when the hot hits the stomach, warming up the stomach, it also ensures a release of your digestive enzymes.
And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more health tips. And if you have your own go-to remedies for bloating, share them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your gut and keep feeling your best.